like I said before, we really believe that bilateral issues should not overshadow or impede or slow down the accession process or negotiation process. On one hand. On another hand, I think it's important that when the agreements are being made and then commitments are being taken, that not to stop the process or not to reopen something, the commitment has to be implemented, because it might create a new reality, or it might create another delays. So our thinking is that as much as possible less bilateral issues, but if the commitments are taken, then it's better to continue with implementation and to move ahead with the process in principle, because that's the whole idea, how to clear the accession process, negotiation process from the various bilateral issues.